Welcome to Hell's Bonfire Kitchen Edition. Here we go. Have you guys ever heard of roasted Starburst? I've never had it myself, but I don't know. My friends think I'm crazy, but let's see how it goes. So you just take a Starburst, you put it on a stick, you see, when guarding. Oh man, this is hot. Ooh, ah, frick, this is hotter than Satan's butthole. Oh god. Ooh. Oh yes. I really don't know how much I'm supposed to be grilling. Oh frick. Ooh, it's melting. Oh no! That's my first Starburst. We got another burst of stars right here. Ooh, you gotta make sure you take the wrapper off. You don't want to eat paper. Whoa. Alright. Dang. I'm roasting this Starburst like I roasted your mom. Oh! Oh! Is that enough?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
I'm actually really scared to eat this right now. It's probably really hot.
You probably should wait a sec.
Oh, it's like at you. Should I just go for it? Ah, that's... got a little bit of bark in there. It's okay. Texture, protein. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, it's like a star just burst in my mouth. Oh, Starburst.